Hi guys, today I'll show you how to use phone as second monitor for PC. Having a second monitor apart from your computer is an advantage because this will give you more space to work on, and with a Power Mirror, you will be able to do that. To get this app, just go to its official website, then download and install it on your computer. However, on your phone, you can go to App Store or Google Play and search for a Power Mirror. Once installed, run the program and connect your phone and PC to the same Wi-Fi network. On the mobile app, tap the blue M button, then select your computer from the devices. Afterwards, tap on Computer Screen Mirroring to start the mirroring process. You can now work on your projects on your PC by using your phone as a second monitor. If you want to add text, tap the keyboard icon at the right side menu bar. Type the text that you want to insert and hit send. To disconnect, just tap this button. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching!